Hey there, IT enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of Azure Virtual Machines and shedding some light on the art of keeping them updated. We all know that staying updated is crucial for cybersecurity and optimal performance, but how can we manage this efficiently without disrupting our workflow? Let's explore this in a little over 3 minutes, shall we? Firstly, let's unwrap the concept of updating Azure VMs. Virtual machines in Azure are like the chameleons of the IT world. They need to continuously adapt, but this doesn't mean you should blindly install updates. It's important to know that Azure offers a centralized update management solution, but it's your job to configure it for maximum benefit. Now, you may ask, why even update if it doesn't disrupt the workflow? Updates often bring critical security fixes that can prevent data breaches, a common IT nightmare. Imagine you've got a server running outdated software and a bug lurks behind that vulnerability. A hacker exploiting this flaw could wreak havoc, leading to compromised data. Updating thwarts this risk, ensuring peace of the digital realm. Moving on, we can't skip Azure Update Management. This service is a treasure trove for automating the update process. It gives us options from differing to automatically applying updates and can significantly reduce the overhead of manual update processes. As an IT professional in India, enhancing DevOps with automation can bring considerable efficiency to your team's deployment strategies. Plus, adopting such automation practices aligns you with industry best practices, putting you ahead in the competitive corporate arena. Our third point takes a detour into best practices. Always back up your VMs before applying updates to avoid any unforeseen downtime. Use Azure's built-in tools to handle updates smoothly, and create a checklist of critical applications running on these VMs. Knowing which ones will require downtime helps in planning and minimal disaster.